Yo, what is going on, fellas? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video, guys. Today we are reviewing GoldGrinder, which is the most improved version of all the BNB miners out there. Definitely sounds exciting, definitely sounds interesting if you ask me, so we will go over all the details here, guys. And obviously, just before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can finally dive right into it, fellas. So basically, it's stealth launched on, it got stealth launched on 15th of April, guys. It is the best BNB miner out there with 9% daily rewards in BNB and lowest 2% developer fee. And GoldGrinder grown to 2000 BNB TVL organically in just 7 days, and marketing has just started, I believe yesterday actually, so yesterday or 2 days ago, something around that. But basically they managed to grow to 2000 BNB fully organically, and they are also launching their native token in the first week of May, guys. They also have crypto lending platform that will be launched somewhere in June, July, so it's not just a miner, it's not just a platform, they actually are also working on some utility projects that definitely sound exciting. And if you want to verify the contract on your own by yourself, right, you can see that they indeed have 2000 BNB here. You can see that transactions are flowing in, you can also see that transactions are flying out, and on top of that you can verify the code. Since everything is open here, you can basically check it out and audit it even if you want, right? So basically that's exactly what you can do. And another part is obviously that you can access the contract itself simply by the write function. So if anything goes down, if the website would be down, for example, or you wouldn't be able to access it, you can directly interact with the contract to buy or sell your gold. And when it comes to the gold, it's basically the currency here on the platform. You just buy your gold, you grind your gold, as you can see here, with your BNB. And then basically you are making money right here. You are basically making the gold. It will show you how much gold per hour you can get within your specific amount deposited, right? And then it will also show you your rewards. So actually I will deposit some amount to show you how it looks like. So as you can see, I connected my wallet. You can connect your MetaMask here, and it basically shows me how much BNB I have in my wallet. So let's say I want to start mining with 1.5 BNB. 1.5 BNB will buy me 1766 gold. So now what I have to do is click the grind gold button and then confirm my transaction in my MetaMask wallet. With that being done, now I will be able to basically start getting rewards, right? And another cool part about this GoldGrinder is the fact that you actually have some insane referral system here, okay? You can earn 12.5% of the BNB deposited from anyone who uses your referral link. So obviously I will plug it down below in the description. Shameless plug, you already know, guys. What else does it show you here? Your daily return, which is 9%, so that transforms to 3285% APR. And basically it shows you your rewards. You can also hire miners, as you can see, and also your gold per hour rate. You can also see how much gold you already have, and then you can sell it whenever you want to get rewarded in BNB. So basically it is as easy as that to use. So yeah, with that being said, they also have FAQ, as you guys can see, and it basically explains you the whole ecosystem, how everything works, right, how it functions, how it is sustainable. So yeah, and what is the price of gold? This is important aspect. There is no set price for gold, it changes according to the volume. There is an estimate price calculator that can be used. It's not accurate, but somewhere close. Then you have some informations about your rewards. Is it okay to hire miner more than 1 time a day? Yes, you can hire miner more than 1 time a day. Do check the BSC network fee for that. It is quite cheap. Then you have information about what is gold, how if your referrals are not showing, then you can also check out what the issue might be, and some other stuff. And basically the developer fee is only 2%, which is actually really decent, considering that many of those contracts take way higher operational fees. So yeah, in my opinion, it is actually pretty fair. Here is the roadmap, and as you guys can see, they really have extensive roadmap indeed. As I said, they are working on multiple stuff, not just the contract. They also want to have their own token. They are also getting audited by Interfi, as you can see. Phase 2 is native token launch, banner ads, white paper DApp and website launch, dashboard for token rewards, social media influencer reach, Discord and other languages, Telegram group creation, token audit and merchandise store. Phase 3 is Certic audit, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, advanced marketing development, media release, gold finance feature launch, crypto loan, all out social media promotions, and then you have Phase 4, which is gold swap launch, CEX listing, Binance listing, and more to be updated. When it comes to the marketing plans, they are actually pretty extensive, because they are working on YouTube ads, YouTube influencers onboarding, cold channels, DApp radar ads, PooCoin ads, Cal group ads, and also ads from celebrities. When it comes to the team, there is 3 developers, 4 experienced people in marketing team, 12 mods and admins. So it is quite good and solid, if you ask me. If you will be interested in checking them out, you can go ahead and follow them on Twitter as well as on Telegram, guys. And if you want, you can join, of course, always at your own risk, always at your own responsibility. And that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next ones coming out soon.